Today it's Sunday. I am on the bike again. Yesterday I met the moosiest person I have met on this trip. He was the owner of the campsite, and he wasn't friendly a person at all. I'm not a happy camper at the moment because last night and this morning I've been bitten by so many mosquitoes that eat me alive. Also, there was a cat who pissed on my tent. I had enough of it and I buggered off. I packed all my gear and went. I'm off to Montenegro, and maybe tomorrow I have a rest day. I am at the Bay of Kotor. Today I'm in Montenegro, which means another flag on the bike.